Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Before we start, can I tell you something soft and honest? Sometimes I feel my mind is very slow. Yeah, when people talk to me fast, my heart beats fast. My head feels empty. And I think, why can I not think fast? Why can I not speak smart? Maybe you feel this too. You want to say something nice, something clear, but the words come late, or they come wrong. And then the moment is gone. Today, I want to sit with you, like a friend, and talk slowly about how to think fast and speak smart, but in a calm way, not a stressful way. Yeah? When I was younger, I thought smart people speak very fast. They answer quickly, they use big words, and everyone listens. But now, I feel something different. I feel smart speaking is not about speed. It is about calm. It is about clear feeling. Smart speaking is when your heart and mouth move together, not fighting each other. Yeah. Let me share one small word with you. The word is pause. Pause means stop for a short time, just a little stop, like when you breathe before drinking water. In life, a pause is very kind. When someone asks you something, you can pause, you can breathe, you can feel your thought. Pause is not weakness, pause is power. Now, a very simple sentence you can use. Let me think for a moment. Yeah, slow and gentle. You can also say, just a second, please, or, let me see. Dear listener, you are allowed to take time. Your words will come. Sometimes I speak too fast, and my words fall, like cups from my hand. Then I feel shy. But when I slow down, my brain feels safe, and safe-brained thinks better. Yeah, safety is important. Here is another word, clear. Clear means easy to understand, like clean water you can see inside. When your words are clear, people feel relaxed. You do not need big words, you need clean words. You can say, I want to be clear, or let me say this clearly, or even, I will say it simply. Simple is beautiful. I remember one day at work, my boss asked me a question. My mind went blank. Blank means empty, nothing inside, like a white page. I felt heat on my face. But then I breathed, I paused, and I said, I am not sure yet, but this is what I think. Yeah, and it was okay, more than okay. The word here is sure. Sure means confident. When you are sure, you feel steady inside. You can speak slowly. If you are not sure, it is also okay to say, I am not sure. Honesty sounds smart too. Try this simple sentence, I think, or I feel, or in my view. These sentences open the door. They give your brain time to walk in. Many people think smart speaking means never making mistakes, but I make small mistakes every day. And life still goes on. Smart speaking is about connection, not perfection. Here is a soft word, connect. Connect means join, like holding hands. When you connect with someone, you listen, you feel, you respond. Even simple words feel smart when they connect hearts. You can say, I understand you, or I feel the same, or I see your point. These sentences build bridges. Sometimes my mind runs too fast, like a train with no stop. Then my mouth gets tired. So I slow my body first. I relax my shoulders. I breathe out slowly, and my thoughts follow. Body and mind are friends. The word is relax. Relax means let go of tight feeling, like opening your hand. When you relax, your voice sounds warm. People listen more. Try this sentence in your heart. It is okay to be calm, or I can take this easy, or no rush. Yeah, say it softly. Thinking fast does not mean thinking many things. It means thinking one thing clearly. When someone talks, I listen for the main idea, not every word. That helps me answer better. The word is main. Main means most important, like the center. When you catch the main idea, you do not feel lost. You can say, the main point is, or what matters is, or the important thing is. These phrases sound calm and smart. I also practice in daily life. At the shop, I speak slowly. I would like this, please. On the phone, hello, this is Alex. Small moments build confidence. The word practice. Practice means do again and again. Like walking, you fall, you walk again. Speaking is the same. Say, I am practicing, or I am learning, or I am getting better. These sentences are kind to yourself. Sometimes silence comes and I feel scared, but silence is not empty. Silence is thinking time. Smart people use silence well. The word is silence. Silence means no sound, but inside there is feeling, thought, calm. You can say nothing and just nod, or say, or I see. Silence can speak. Another thing, smart speaking listens more than it talks. When I listen deeply, my answer becomes natural, not forced. The word is listen. Listen means hear with care, not just ears, but heart. Simple sentences are, I am listening, or go on, or tell me more. People feel safe with you. When I feel nervous, my words shake, so I ground myself. Feet on the floor, breath in, breath out. Yeah, grounding helps thinking. The word is ground. Ground means earth, base. When you feel ground, you feel stable. Say, I am here, or I am present, or I am with you. Presence sounds smart. Smart speaking is also about tone, not just words. Gentle tone opens ears. Sharp tone closes them. I choose gentle. The word is tone. Tone means how your voice feels. Soft, hard, warm, cold. You can think, speak softly, or lower your voice, or be gentle. Your tone teaches people how to hear you. Sometimes I repeat my idea in a simpler way, not because people are slow, but because clarity is kind. The word repeat. Repeat means say again, maybe in a new shape. Try, let me say it again, or in simple words, or what I mean is. These help everyone. Smart speaking is not showing off, it is showing care. When people feel cared for, they call you smart. The word care. Care means you matter to me. Your feeling is important. Say, I care about this, or I understand your feeling, or this matters to me. Care is strong. Now let us breathe together. Slow in, slow out. Feel your chest. Feel your calm. Thinking fast comes from calm, not fear. The word is calm. Calm means peaceful inside, like still water. You can say, I feel calm, or let us stay calm, or take it easy. Calm is smart. We learned many gentle words today. Pause, clear, sure, connect, relax, main, practice, silence, listen, ground, tone, repeat, care, calm. They are simple but powerful. And we used simple sentences. Let me think for a moment. I think, or the main point is. I am listening. No rush. Yeah, keep them close to your heart. Before we go, I want to ask you softly, when do you feel your words run away? At work? With friends? On the phone? And what helps you feel calm when you speak? If this quiet talk helped you, please like this podcast, share your thought in the comments, and stay with us. Thank you for listening. Take a slow breath, be kind to your words. Goodbye.